guys, Lime Snack back with another video. So today we're gonna be playing Lomando.com. Lime Snack back with another video here. So today we're gonna be playing Lomando.com. 102 AM. What's up, bitch? Oh! What the fuck? Okay. They actually trying to find this email. Oh, nothing. What's this? Okay, this is really boring, guys. What's up? Okay, let's click on this one. Shami Shong Wan Chong Ching. I don't know what the it says. Whoa! What the I'm saying no. This ain't scary. Bro! Bro, I can't this, bro. Bro, you chill out. What's going on? Hello? No, this. I think it just took us back. Bro. Bro, I can't trust this. Should I click on this one? Nah, not doing this. Come on, what's up? What's up? Fake ass. Let's do some cheat codes. That work? Okay, it didn't. Let's do something else. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. That ain't fucking. Let's see. Word. Bro, I can't. Nah, bro. I can't do this shit. My face. How's this? What are we doing? Weird ass eyes. What's up? What's this? Oh, okay. That wasn't that scary like the other ones. The hell, bro? Oh, I ain't no. What's up? Oh, bitch. Watch. Where the fuck you gonna send me now? Bro, I don't know the. Bro, you saw that was about to come up. Watch. Watch some bull pop out. Watch some bull pop out. Watch. Nothing? Oh, no, bro. Man, I ain't doing none of this. I'm lazy as f***. Oh, we already did this. I ain't about to go through that shit. Okay, what y'all bitch taking me now? Oh yeah, I remember this part. There's some jump scare about to pop up. This web page keeps getting deeper and deeper, guys. Oh, let's do this. Oh, shit. Bro, this shit's fucking scary. Bro, this shit's Oh fuck. Oh hell, shit got red, bro. You know what red fucking means. Gonna need therapy after this. Yay! We crashed the system. It says here, I don't know what this is, but it must be saying Lime Snack, you dumb ass bitch. You f***ed up the page. You stupid bitch. You useless, worthless, no good for nothing. Man, fuck. Man, I'm not dealing with this bullshit. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and tell me what else should I play. Take care, and yeah, God bless ya. Take care, yeah.